Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to manage risk like a pro. Okay, how do you manage risk? Okay, I know I've spoken about this in some videos, but now I'll be telling you specifically how you can manage risk like a pro in Deriv to avoid some losses. Okay, so how do you do it? Now first of all, you take first of all ensure you have enough capital. Okay, because if you have an account like $5, applying risk management will be hard. Or if you have an account like $9 or $8 or $10, yes, you can apply risk management, but it will not be quite feasible. Okay, remember in Deriv, the least amount you can start trading with is 0.35. Okay, yeah, so applying risk management on small accounts is quite hard, so ensure you have at least a big account. Okay, but how do you do it? Now listen carefully guys. So whatever account you have, all right, you take that account. Okay, so let's say example, let me say, I don't think if I have okay, let's say you have a $200 account. Okay, so you take your $200, you multiply it by 2%. All right, what is 2% of $200? That is $4. Now you will use that $4 as your stake. So that will be your stake. Okay, so you have a $200 account, but 2% of it is 4, so you'll be using 4 USD or $4 as your stake. I hope I'm clear up to that point. Yeah, now once you use that $4 as your stake, now what is the take profit and stop loss that you should use? Now for the take profit and stop loss, you take 20% times your account. What is 20% of $200? It is $40. All right, so $40 will be our take profit and $40 will be our stop loss. All right, yeah, so it is this simple. 2% of your account is stake. All right, 2%. So example, like as you can see here for my account, let me do 2% and see how much this is. Let me see, 2% of, you can calculate whatever account you have, whatever amount. And I told you guys, the bigger the account you have, the better. Okay, but that does not mean you'll only become successful with a big account. You can start with a small account and you grow it. Okay, yeah, 2% of my account, let me see, that is about 179 USD. Okay, so whatever account you have, if you do 2% of your account and you see it is below 0.35 USD, try to at least find more capital so that at least you can apply this risk management. Okay, yeah, because this will make you avoid blowing your account. Let's say you have a $10 account. If you make a loss of $2, stop trading, come back the next day. All right, yeah, anytime your account is 20% gone, do not continue trading, come back the next day to avoid something called overtrading and revenge trading. Those two are the most responsible for most accounts being blown. So even if you're trading even odd over under accumulators, please apply this proper risk management. Okay, yeah, this will literally help you out trade really well and avoid losses in the way. Okay, I hope that is okay to everyone. If you have any question about this, guys, please leave it down in the comment section. I will answer you. But yeah, I wanted to make a video about this separately so that people can at least understand, because I've been speaking about this just lightly and some people have not been able to understand it quite well. Okay, but that is basically how you apply this risk management. And if you are to apply risk management, I prefer you do it on a bot more oftenly, because with a bot, the bot can be able to ease your process. Okay, your work will just be analyzing the market. If you do not have a bot, WhatsApp me. I'll guide you on how to get the bot. If you need online classes, again, I'm here. Ensure you WhatsApp me. And guys, ensure you click on the link in the description so that at least you can become a partner, man. Yeah, so that you start earning as a partner. All right, I know most of you are traders in Deriv, but how do you become a partner? Because you can actually be paid whenever you're not trading, just from becoming a partner. Yeah, so click on that link, register to become a partner, so that at least you start earning. Apart from trading, you can start also earn through these other means. Okay, yeah, apart from that, guys, thank you very much for listening, and have a good one.